Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Marie LaChance. I'm a STEM educator, transgender advocate, and an artist who navigates the intersections of STEM and social justice. When I'm not at my job as a lecturer at UMass Amherst, I'm writing articles and producing video content about the importance of transgender inclusion and intersectional feminism. I'm also a DEI consultant who helps universities and workplaces around the country create environments that are trans inclusive. I'll be at the 2023 San Diego Pain Summit to talk about trans affirming care in all types of different settings. Trans inclusive care goes far beyond accessing things like hormone replacement therapy and gender affirming surgeries, although we will discuss those too. All medical practitioners should be trans inclusive, and to demonstrate why, I'll be talking about my own experiences navigating the healthcare system as a trans woman and backing it up with scientific studies along the way. You can come to my talk with any level of trans competency, and you'll leave with practical advice for how to make your practice more accommodating for trans and non binary people. I hope to see you there. And in the meantime, take care and happy learning.